How do I create a bibliography using Mendeley? If you are looking to create a bibliography using Mendeley, you are in for a treat. This tool is designed to make your academic life easier by organizing your references efficiently. Let's walk through the steps together so you can get started right away. First, you will want to set up your Mendeley library. Begin by adding all your research sources, such as articles, books, and reports, to the Mendeley Reference Manager. You can organize these references into folders or collections to keep related items together. This organization will save you time when you need to find specific sources later. Next, install the Mendeley Cite add-in for Microsoft Word. This plugin integrates seamlessly into Word, appearing as a sidebar or toolbar. With this tool, you can access your Mendeley library without leaving your document, making it easy to insert citations while you write. When you are ready to insert citations, place your cursor where you want the citation to appear in your paper. Use the Mendeley Cite add-in to search your library and select the reference you want to cite. Mendeley will automatically format the citation according to the style you have chosen, whether it is American Psychological Association, Modern Language Association, Chicago, or another style. Once you have inserted at least one citation, you can create your bibliography. Position your cursor where you want the bibliography or reference list to appear, usually at the end of your document. In the Mendeley Cite toolbar, click on the menu, often represented by 3 dots, and select Insert Bibliography. Mendeley will generate a formatted bibliography based on all the citations you have included in your document. If you need to update your bibliography later, simply click the Refresh or Update Bibliography option in the Mendeley Cite add-in. This will automatically update your reference list to reflect any changes you made to your citations. This feature keeps your bibliography accurate and consistent without any manual reformatting. You can also adjust citation styles at any time using the Mendeley Cite settings. If your professor or publisher requires a specific format, changing the style is quick and easy. All your citations and the bibliography will reformat instantly to match the new style. If you want to create an independent bibliography that includes references not cited in the text, you can do that too. In the Mendeley Reference Manager, select the references you want to include, use the Copy As feature to copy the formatted citations, and then paste them into your document manually. This method is handy for sharing reference lists separately from your paper. Finally, always proofread your bibliography for any formatting errors or inconsistencies. While Mendeley does a great job, it is wise to double-check that everything meets academic standards. Using Mendeley to create bibliographies is a fantastic way to streamline the often tedious process of managing citations. By integrating Mendeley with your word processor, you can maintain an organized and properly formatted bibliography that updates dynamically as your paper evolves. This not only reduces stress during deadlines but also improves the professionalism of your academic work.